Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to reset 2012 Volvo S60 maintenance light, only way. Park on level ground, apply the parking brake, and leave the ignition off. Turn the key to position I without starting the engine, then press and hold the trip reset button on the instrument cluster. Wait for the maintenance prompt to blink, release the button, and confirm the reset by cycling the ignition off and on to verify the light is gone. Begin by ensuring the car is safe and the parking brake is set, then sit in the driver's seat comfortably. Insert the key and turn to accessory mode, keeping the engine off so only dash lights are active. Locate and press the trip odometer reset button firmly until the maintenance prompt flashes, then let go and switch the ignition off then on to confirm the reminder is cleared and the dash shows normal indicators. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for waiting rooms, garages, or coffee breaks when you need a break from car chores and want crisp text and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you like the idea, and now let's get back to the video. If the reset does not complete, don't panic and try the steps again slowly and deliberately. Check that the key or fob battery is strong and that the trip reset button is not stuck or worn. Sometimes cycling the ignition 2 or 3 times helps the instrument cluster register the change, and if it still fails, a short visit to a mechanic can rule out electrical or module issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.